One of the most enjoyable parts of working here in the Arctic is the search for wildlife. It's like hunting for wildlife. These animals are present, but they are out in the vast expanse of the Arctic landscape and the sea ice. We don't necessarily know what we're going to find, when and where. So it's an element of the unexpected that comes into all of these voyages. And even when you find an animal, you don't know what's going to happen next. Some bears are quite indifferent. They'll stay at some distance, you can't approach them closely, they'll carry on doing whatever it is they were doing without even paying us any attention. Other bears will be curious and will approach the ship, and obviously this is something that we love to see. You get those up close, great views of polar bears, as well as the thrill of actually even just finding a bear, which is always exciting. There's also then the anticipation of what happens next.
For me, coming to the Arctic is like coming home. I've spent a lot of my life traveling in some of the more remote corners of these cold places in the north. No matter how often I come, though, I'm continually surprised by just the vastness of the landscape and the beauty and the scale of this place. It's an incredible experience to be able to see a polar bear in its natural habitat and to be so close and to see how that animal interacts with its environment. Its environment is changing very dramatically, and it's up to us to help protect the polar bear.